Hey, Wilbur. Hi, buddy. What you doing? Can you talk to me? That was good. You want to go outside? Come on. Want to go outside? Come on. Come on, let's go. Do you like it outside? Go walk with Cheyenne. Will you take a walk out there with him?
I don't have shoes.
You don't have shoes on? Well, we'll just show that he's good around you. Come on, Wilbur. He's good around the dogs, and he's good around a 7-year-old little girl. Although he likes to play in my flower bed. Wonder if you can see his leg. How it doesn't quite work right. Come on, Wilbur.
Wilbur, you want to take a walk, Wilbur?
Okay, let's go back in. Come on. Let's go back inside.
Wilbur, want to take a walk?
It's too hot today.